So I'm just going to go ahead and get started here. I have 2 breaks to do tonight, and first off, I just want to apologize to everybody. I had some cards left, but when I did my last break, and I had somebody that wanted to buy a box off of me, so I sold it to him, not thinking about having my next break listed, and that's why it took so long. I ordered these cards almost 3 weeks ago, and it took forever to get here, so I apologize for that, and I'm going to be throwing in some bonus cards for you guys in your packages. Let me know if you want the base cards, just like any other of my breaks. If you get a hit, I throw them in anyway, but if you don't get a hit and you want them, just let me know. The first break I'm going to do here is a randoms division break, and I only had 2 people buy into it, but I'm going to do it anyway. 8027 Ridge has the NFC East, and Next Level Cards has the AFC East. I just did a randomizer quick before I started here, and that way I wasn't going to waste time trying to do that while I was doing these breaks quick. So since there's only 2 of these, I'm going to try to go ahead and rip through these pretty fast to get to the team break. Jeremy Curley, Chris Givens, Brandon Myers, Matt Forte, Hakeem Nicks, Vance McDonald. Cam Newton, Russell Wilson, Golden Tate, Kendall Wright, Darius Jenkins, easy for me to say. Keenan Allen, numbered card. Richard Sherman, Jason Witten, Steve Smith, Percy Harvin. First hit, Vance McDonald, numbered 165 out of 165. That would be for the NFC West. And Tavares King base card. Miles Rostlin, Hakeem Nicks, Cecil Shorts, Lamar Miller. Nice quad patch card here. What do we got? Jaguars. Wayne Gabbert, Reese Jones, Drew, Justin Blackman, and Denard Robinson. 336 out of 373. It's the first card like that I've seen. It's a nice card. That would be the AFC South, I believe. An Andre Ellington base card. See if I can get one of you 2 guys a hit out of here. Both Eastern divisions. Brandon Whedon, Drew Brees, Navarro Bowman, Brandon Marshall, Jamal Charles, Eric Fisher. What's a tic-tac? I wonder if there's a book in here or a quad card. Oh, nice. Wow. A Monte Ball Level 2 booklet for the AFC West. Number 7 out of 15. That was a nice card. It's got 5 patches. It's a football. I'm not sure what all it is, to be honest with you. That's a very nice card. No hits for either East yet. This is the 3rd case of this I've opened. That's the first book I've seen. Victor Cruz, Ed Reed, DeMarco Murray, Eddie Lacy, Brandon Marshall, E.J. Manuel. 3 packs left and we'll jump into the team break. Oh, Chris Johnson, Ray Rice, A.J. Green, Mike Wallace, Ben Roethlisberger, and Tyler Wilson. Drew Brees, Navarro Bowman, Richard Sherman, Jason Witten. Wow. A redemption. A auto veteran variation copper rainbow parallel of Reggie Bush. That's a nice card. That'd be the NFC North. And Bjorn Werner. One pack left here to see if we can get an extra hit, but looking like not from the east of either division. Marshawn Lynch, Christian Ponder, Peyton Manning, Eli Manning, Calvin Johnson, and Marquez Wheaton. Please start to the side here. So I'm going to jump right into the team break here. I'm going to do kind of a rundown of all the teams. Philly Green 215 is the Eagles, the Chargers, the Rams, and the Bucks. Josh the Dude has the Redskins. Zebra Cruiser, thanks a lot for picking up all these teams here. I got the Seahawks, 49ers, the Giants, the Colts, the Lions, the Broncos, the Bears, the Bengals, and the Bills. 2014 ELFI has the Raiders. Our Gorilla 11, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, is the Steelers. Miami Tim has the Jags and the Dolphins. Zabo Jason has the Vikings. Packer 7 has the Packers, and K Galar has the Cowboys. I had 11 unsold teams in this break, so if any of those cards comes up and anybody wants them from any of the unsold teams, just shoot me an email and we'll see if we can work out a deal for them, depending on what they are. $10 packs. There's the first 5. There's the next 5. So good luck to everybody. Any hits that come out of here, I'm going to throw in sleeves and stuff right away. The last ones I didn't just because they weren't for anybody. Let's see what we can get here. Julio Jones, T.Y. Hilton, Vernon Davis, Jamal Charles. First hit is going out to the Cowboys. It's a nice patch card, Joseph Randall, number 51 out of 170. Nice card. And then a Cordell Patterson base. I'm going to get this in a protector right away. First hit going up to the Cowboys. Vic Ballard, Josh Freeman, Clay Matthews, Jacqueline Rogers, Michael Crabtree, and Giovanni Bernard. Nick Foles, Steven Jackson, Sean McCoy, David Wilson. Going out to the Steelers. 2 cards in a row here. We got a Le'Veon Bell number card, number 163 out of 350. And then we have a dual combo, number 13 out of 330. A Le'Veon Bell and Marcus Wheaton patch card. It's a nice card. And this numbered card also. All the number cards I'll send out regardless also. Seems like the last couple boxes I've been opening, there's been a lot of dual and quad patch cards in it. Well, there's the 2 patch cards, and then we got a couple autos left. Let's see what we can get. Well, looks like I got the quad relic right here. I'm going to save that for the end, I think. Otherwise, we'll have no excitement for the end here. Robert Griffin, Janarius Jenkins, Demarius Thomas, Roddy White, Ryan Tannehill and Kenny Stills. I've never done that before. Opened 3 packs and had 3 hits right away. Darren McFadden, Arian Foster, Wes Welker, Cordero Patterson, that's a nice card, Kendall Wright, and Marquise Goodwin. See if we can get a veteran auto out of here or something. I have got a couple of those. Roddy White, Ben Pettigrew, Trey Palomaro, Frank Gore, Victor Cruz, and Jarvis Jones. Numbered card 226 out of 250. Boy, the Steelers are cleaning up here. Who's got the Steelers? Arguably. C.J. Spiller, Alfred Morris, Dwayne Allen, Randall Cobb, Justin Blackman, and Aaron Dobson. Let's see if we can find this last rookie. Not rookie, autograph. What am I talking about? Greg Jones, Andre Johnson, Michael Crabtree. Here is the auto. Gavin Escobar for the Cowboys. Number 61 out of 75. Nice card. Matt Ryan and Luke Jokel. Let me get this auto in a protector right away here. So we got 2 for the Cowboys and 1 for the Steelers and a couple of number cards for the Steelers so far. Kind of weird box. Aaron Rodgers, Joe Flacco, Tony Romo, Jason Pierre-Paul, Steven Jackson, Geno Smith. A lot of quarterbacks in that pack. So, the quad relic, excuse me, Jeremy Curley, Chris Gibbons, Brandon Myers. I'm going to flip it over here. Go like this. A Christine Michael. And I believe the card goes like this. A Landry Jones. This is a copper card, number 14 out of 15. This is a good box for the Steelers and the Cowboys. 2 hits each. That is weird. I've never seen that before out of all the boxes I've opened. I've had 2 from one team, but never 2 from 2 teams. Very nice card. So like I said when I started the video, let me know if you want these base cards. I have no problem sending them out. Everybody that got hits, the Cowboys and the Steelers here, I'm going to send the base with these anyway. Again, I apologize that it took so long to get to the break. I had to wait for the cards, and they were just behind. So, like I said, I'm going to throw some bonus cards in for some of you guys for that out of my own collection. See what I can find. I'm going to get another break up on eBay possibly tomorrow or Wednesday. I have the whole case now, so it's not going to, as soon as that auction ends, I'm going to break it right away. So, thanks again, guys. I hope to see you again.